All of you have procured the material. Got the material? Paper, paper cutter, scissors, and some pasting agent, any kind of adhesive. Primarily, we are going to experience the MR. I have MR, but I'm a fan of SH. How many of you have got the material? ये क्या है? Kind of. Write in the chat box who hasn't got the material. Okay, first write homework. After this class, you have to do for this whole week. The homework is you have to make packaging of various brands. Which city you all are living in? Can you write in the chat box?
So what is the homework?
I'll tell you. Which city all of you are living in? Please write in the chat box. Raipur, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Jamshedpur, Kerala, Bangalore, Moradabad. झारखंड कौन सी सिटी है भाई? सूरत, जहानाबाद, जिंद. Jind is in Punjab. Okay, we have quite what is a vibrant patch.
Jind is in Haryana.
क्या?
Jind is in Haryana.
Oh, sorry, Jind is in Haryana. I forgot. It's near the Punjab border or somewhere around that, right?
Yes, sir. Haryana is near Punjab.
No, Jind, I'm telling. I don't know where. Like I was traveling from Punjab to Delhi on my bike, so Jind was on the way somewhere in between Bokaro. Right. Okay. So many of you are in some kind of semi-metro or metro cities, and many of you are in town. Right. Now finding various kind of packaging in big cities, it might become easy or something, but in smaller areas also you'll be able to find some nice packaging. I have quite a huge collection of packaging. One is you can always see on my desk, the Nescafe one, very creative, brilliant design, done with the paper only. So the homework is that you have to collect various style of packaging. I can suggest some of the packaging, but I don't know you'll be able to find that one in Jind. चाय पॉइंट से चाय एक बार ऑर्डर कर लेना, ठीक है, घर के लिए, और इसकी पैकेजिंग को फेंकना नहीं, रखना, बहुत ही अच्छा है. Brilliant design. It will help you a lot understanding the construction. Bose and this one I got my new instrument. So this is a very common packaging. You see this kind of one. It's very common, but very secured and very lightweight. Corrugated sheet. This is not actually packaging. This is organizer. but done in a very creative manner. So maybe some of you denting painting freak, you might be having these. This is I use it as a stationery box, a stationery bag, but this is meant for makeup and things like that. Even I use mascara for painting and all these things. So मेरा कुछ अलग use है. बहुत ही black, बहुत ही सही उससे, you know, you'll be, if you want to make a portrait and everything, it's really good. And the brushes, they're so soft. You get such a finished drawing on the paper. This one, Bose. Again, storage. This is your bag for that, but the packaging is very minimal and very useful, practical packaging, right? What interesting about this one is bag outside of this, so it's really good, right? One packaging for this is also a case only for my Uno card. So this used to be a cover for a wallet. Woodland का logo side में दिख रहा होगा थोड़ा सा. So क्या होता है ना Uno, how many of you like playing Uno? वीडियो ऑन कर लो. कितने से कैसे गंदे से बैठे हुए हो? मितुषी, इंद्रजाल, बशिया, मतलब क्या ऐसे बैठे हो अजीब से, राइट? I love playing Uno. लाइक जब मतलब टाइम पास करने के लिए सबसे घटिया चीज यही होता है, बट मजे बहुत आते हैं, राइट? सो व्हेन यू गेट द पैकेजिंग, द रियल पैकेजिंग ऑफ Uno, उसको निकालने में बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है, राइट? स्टैकिंग अप इन टू parts and either of them, it's not very easy. So I got this one and converted it into a nice storage. It's very minimal, not so much. We are just trying to figure out some very minimal structures and how to make. Now I tried to buy some I did also from Amazon some different wooden boxes and बहुत सी सारी चीजें, but none of them were able to satisfy the kind of need I had for this storage box, for this Uno thing. Some कुछ ना कुछ उसमें problem हो रहा है. So like, okay, I'll do it myself, like Thanos. So I got this one and I myself. This is very minimal and very useful. One more organizer I'll show you. This is a copper bottle जो मैंने अपना drinking bottle मैंने order किया था. This was very strong corrugated sheet, बहुत ही strong था उसको, which I converted into some kind of storage for my daily stationery use and something like that. It's very minimal, just normal little bit cut, measurement, cutting and pasting, and correct measurement though. The measurement matters a lot here. What is going to be most problematic for your examination, what you're going for, is understanding the correct measurement. कहाँ पे कितना बड़ा किस proportion में लेना है. सबसे बड़ा बोले, सबको पता है कि काट के ऐसे से फोल्ड करके चिपका देना है, बट उसी के मेजरमेंट को कैसे समझा, that's the biggest challenge. So and to practice that we need a lot of practice, lot of trial and error, various technique explorations and things like that, and you'll be able to do it within a month. You'll be able to, you know, you'll master that. Once you master this cutting and pasting and maintaining the proportion, I'll be relieved. It will be very easy with you the next month which will come. It will be easy for me at least, right? So that's your homework. Minimum 15 different packaging. You have to collect that, okay? And when you collect that, carefully dissect the package. You don't have to cut that thing. So जैसे यहाँ पे joint है ना, दिख रहा है? ये joint से इसके pasting को छुड़ा देना है ध्यान से, ताकि ये फटे नहीं, या some, of course, the glued layer which will be on top of that. This one, right? तो एक लेयर तो नीचे जाएगा ही जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्लू, बट ट्राई टू प्लेस योर फिंगर्स सो दैट ज्यादा लेयर नहीं जाए. बट लाइक यू कैन सी फ्रॉम दिस इनर साइड, यहाँ से फटना शुरू हो गया. सो इसको केयरफुली दबा के, you know, try to take this, remove this and make it flat. Okay, if you're not able to do it, then we'll discuss that in next class, how to carefully remove that thing. And सारे पैकेजिंग को खोल लेना है, ठीक है, जहां जहां पेस्टिंग हो रहेगा carefully. And all of you, show me your nails. जिसके नेल्स नहीं है वो नेल्स थोड़े बढ़ा लें, जिसके बहुत ज्यादा बड़े हैं, राक्षस नहीं बनना है, थोड़ा सा ट्रिम कर लें. Okay, now in this situation test, nails are going to be one of the biggest tool for you. In a various manner you're going to use your nails, so take care of your nails. Do not keep it too large, do not keep it too small, right? I use my nails for various purposes, but हाँ, साफ करके रखना, ये अच्छे से साफ होने चाहिए, गंदे से नहीं रखना, ठीक है, तो पता चल बीमार हो गए. Right, so I have trimmed this one especially for my guitar thing, but I use it for craft purposes also in a various pointed manner. It's trimmed in a very specific, for the very specific requirement. We'll learn that how to use this, how to use your teeth, how to use everything, because here things are going to matter a lot. Yeah. That's when I was appearing in 2011, although I didn't have to take admission, but मेरे रैंक उस टाइम पे भी आ गए थे, गंदे रैंक आए थे, बट आ गए थे. But this happened in NIFT Patna. So there was some kind of question where we had to know. That was my final test, 2012, the year which I took admission. Yeah. So we had to create some kind of advertisement campaign or something was there. The topic was various things. I took no smoking, so we had to create a model to create the awareness about no smoking. I needed some textured wall behind that or something like that. So how to get the texture properly. So I used my teeth. What happens when you, I'll just show you quickly. It's really good one. एंड बगल में एक लड़की बैठी हुई, मैं सामने एक लड़की बैठी हुई, ये कर क्या रहा है, मैं बहुत सारे टेक्सचर बना रहा हूँ धीरे धीरे. एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग दिस थिंग, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट मूव. नेक्स्ट, do I have bond paper? How come I don't? Okay, I do have. Just give me a second. Right, so cut this. I'm just giving a little bit demonstration of things that in various, when your brain is not able to work about developing the techniques, what kind of weird techniques also you can come up with, and that can make your life easier sometime. Right, so you roll it up and put it between your teeth and place it, and after that open it. Now you get a marbling effect with this technique. Okay, and it's very repetitive. वैसे repeat होता है, same fold, it repeats. Can you see that here the pattern is repeating, the same pattern. So it looks really nice. Now what happens that you get different kind of strips lined up with a different texture repeated like that. So that helped me create a very nice textured wall. And that was not able to, and I'm pretty sure that there were no one was able to find out that how this texture wall was created, because those various things. And there's so many things with your nails and so many other things. Why I'm telling this thing about the nails one, because it will take time, right? So and बहुत अगर ढंग से यूज नहीं किए तो टूट भी जाते हैं, so that's a pain. Okay, so do take care of these. ज्यादा बड़े नहीं करना है, ज्यादा छोटे नहीं करना है, right? So couple of these things and और भी चीजें तुमको बताएंगे. There are so many things. अभी सारा कुछ नहीं खोलना है, अभी तुम्हारा एडमिशन भी लेना है. पता चला सारा कुछ सीख लिया फिर भाग गए. हमें तो घाटा लग जाएगा. No, I'm kidding. The maximum thing we will cover it. Today we are going to practice model making, the first model making. Okay, so it is must that you should be having cutting, pasting, and building materials. Okay, right. Two things we are going to understand. One is how to use the tools. That is going to be very crucial. And second is, of course, how to cut. That is going to be really important. But the most important is that how to paste. All of you ready? Get your paper. कि मैं मुंह तो थोड़ी देखना है, पेपर लाओ. Get your paper, scale. Okay, first thing we are going to get is cuboid. Or let's create cube. For instance, let's create cube. First thing we are going to do is getting cube. I'm showing you the drawing. Draw this on your paper. And then we'll go for cutting. We are going to learn different thing about the cutting. How to hold your cutter, how to move your cutter, what are the problematic things you might face.
Sir,
Yes,
does it have to be like a plain paper? We can't use already used papers.
that will be nice if you're using already used paper. But keep it ivory sheet. Right now, ivory sheet. We are going to explore the same thing with various paper also. We'll make cube with newspaper as well. We'll make cube without cutting and pasting also. We'll practice those origami, and those skills later on. Right now, the most basic thing is get any kind of little bit hard paper. Okay, and draw this. Keep it 2 inches by 2 inches. A cube of 2 inches by 2. Anyone here joining new? This is your first class?
Yes, sir, me.
Ellen, this is your first class?
Yeah, first situational, I mean.
Last class हम बस बातें किए थे और कुछ किए नहीं थे,
Okay.
but जरूरी बातें थी वो. And I think you have got that video also in your application. It must be there. Anyone who is facing me for the very first time? Okay, everyone is familiar, I think. Yeah, I can see some familiar names. Tanya, you have had classes here? Tanya, Mangala?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
are you working?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start drawing this. ना संहिता ठीक से बैठो. ये आधा झुक के बैठने वाला ये क्या तरीका होता है? कैसे बैठते हो तुम लोग? Oh, the elbow is on your thigh. You take support of the elbow on the thigh. So ऐसे कैसे बैठ जाते हैं? तो दर्द हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. कौन सा स्किल सीख रखा है? Sit straight. Hits, you're done. हुआ नहीं अभी?
Yes, sir.
कुणाल थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग पेपर ले लो. Okay. So you can see the drawing on my paper. You can see a grid. मैं ये वाला ले रहा हूँ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Okay. I have flaps on these two. Let me see drawing में कहाँ flaps हैं. Yeah, the same. Right. So I'll just make you understand that when you are making the model, what these things are important according to the drawing what you saw. So the flaps, can you see these? This helps pasting the sides. Okay, so on this flap it is going to be pasted on this side here. This one will be on this side here. It will hold the form properly. Now when you are working making these forms, what matters more? How neatly your corners are coming. Neat and clean, perfect corners, which sounds very easy and simple. ठीक है, corners तो बन ही जाएंगे. But you'll find out many times that a student, they're not able to match the perfect corner. And sometimes corners feels like it's not looking like a corner, but a round kind of look. It looks blunt. Corner means, मतलब touch करो तो उंगली कट जाए. That kind of. It should be sharp corner, 90 degree, like that. So how to get that? There are a couple of technique people don't understand, and you'll practice for this. How to do the creasing? Okay, people who are like already fast forward, वो काटना पीटना शुरू कर दिए. Please stay here, listen. That will be nice for you, and it's good that you know things. It's really good that you know things. But I have seen, and what I have seen, like I have created those mistakes. I knew many things. Fail to 2 बार मैं भी हुआ. Right? Even I was teaching, the same batch. So सुन लो बस, ठीक है? You know things, it's nice, but you are here since, so it will be nice that you listen. All right, putting the creasing, and there is a way to put the creasing. Okay, many of you might be knowing also, but this will take a little bit of practice. Just knowing is not enough. Why? Because different of the material, the paper what you're using. If you do the similar pressure, same kind of creasing on cartridge sheet, that is going to behave in a different way. If you do that on a bond paper, that is going to behave in a different way. And if you're doing on ivory sheet and the stuffer papers, they are going to behave in different way. So that understanding is going to be really important. Creasing, what you have to do after the drawing, before cutting, okay, don't cut it right now. Before cutting, you have to do the creasing on these dotted all everywhere you see the dotted lines. You have to give a creasing, and why the creasing is required, you are going to get a perfect corner with that. Right now I'm holding this is an ivory sheet, which is around 300 GSM, which is a thick paper, really thick paper. मार दो सर फुट जाएगा. नहीं लगता है, फुटेगा तो नहीं, बट लगता जरूर है. ठक. It's a very tough paper. To put the creasing on that, how do we hold the cutter? Backwards. ऐसे काटने के लिए, but creasing के लिए hold it backwards, right? And इसके edge जो है ना, blade का edge, with that we put the creasing. Now the same thing if you're going to use on the bond paper, वो कट भी सकता है bond paper, but ये नहीं कटेगा. ठीक है? Now you place your scale.
So for creasing, they use like an empty pen ka refill or like with no ink or even a dotting tool.
Okay, so when you are working with ivory sheet, that empty pen ka wo creasing that won't work. You'll get a rounded corner, not a sharp edge corner. Okay, it depends on the paper. Paper to paper matter करता है, ठीक है? But this one will work finely. Let's we put like that and draw creasing. Now, while drawing the creasing, be really careful. And you can go twice also, because right now I'm working with ivory sheet, so I can go twice also. Because if you sometimes you go one time, then it doesn't look good. वो कभी कभी ना round हो ही जाता है, वो फिर ठीक से fold नहीं होता. So put everywhere creasing. So I did this way, okay, for these flaps. Do not miss creasing in any sense. And if you're working with a bond paper, you don't need this one, blade for creasing. तुम्हारा nails ही काफी है. ऐसे fold करके scale रखो, nails से एक बार करोगे एक बार में आ जाता है वो. Bond paper because it's a loose paper. It's not so tough. Quickly put the creasing everywhere. Then we go for cutting. For the cutting, be very careful. Okay, the kind of mistakes you are going to make, please don't make this mistake. Because उसी के बाद जान चली जानी अगर वो mistake हो गया. If you are using this scale, plastic scale for cutting, how many of you have gone through this problem? I have gone through this problem one time, but it was so devastating. So क्या हुआ ना, ये स्लाइड करके ऊपर चढ़ जाता है कभी ब्लेड तुम्हारा, और साइड से छप पता भी नहीं चलेगा तुम्हारा फिंगर का ये जो पार्ट है ना साइड वाला, वो पेपर पे होगा. मेरा एक बार हुआ था, बट बहुत हल्का सा हुआ था. इट वाज अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक डेड स्किन, तो ब्लड ज्यादा आया नहीं बाहर. बट इफ दैट थिंग इज हैपनिंग इन एग्जामिनेशन, बी वेरी केयरफुल. आई सजेस्ट दैट डोंट यूज दिस वन, यूज मेटल स्केल फॉर कटिंग पार्ट. बट मेटल स्केल में साइड से दिखता नहीं है तो मजा नहीं आता वो. So I use this one only, but be very careful, very careful when you are using this acrylic scale. And one more thing, this edge of this blade is blunt. Never work with blunt edge. So after every 10 times cut, you break the blade. In examination, the frequently you break the blade, the finer cuts you are going to get. Okay, so you get here in the back, this part is for blade breaking. Isko bahar nikal lo carefully. Keep, while taking this out, keep the blade always inside. हाथ इधर उधर घूमता है, कभी स्लाइड हुआ पता चला हो गया तुम्हारा एग्जाम, उसी टाइम पे हो गया तुम्हारा एग्जाम. ओके, because this sometimes become tougher also. And एक बार में इसको लगाना नहीं, एक बार इसको निकाल लेना तो इसको साइड में टेबल के सबसे कॉर्नर वाले कॉर्नर पे रख देना. ठीक है, टेबल, the table you will get a big table. So keep this one एकदम कोने में. दोबारा निकालने में दिक्कत होता है थोड़ा सा, if it's very tough. And one time if you're taking out also, अगर इधर उधर रख दिए तो फिर मिलता भी नहीं है. खोजने में लगे हैं कहाँ गया, उसी में टाइम जा रहा है तुम्हारा. So keep it right there in the furthest corner, ताकि याद रहे और खोए भी नहीं. ठीक है, जब भी यूज हो फट से उठाया, थोड़ा वहीं पर रख दिया. The much organized you will be, the much better it will be for your examination. Okay, people who have tendency to lose things that way. How many of you are here कि पेंसिल का इरेजर कहीं रख दिया और मिल ही नहीं रहा है, वो और हमेशा हमेशा दिमाग में आता कि पैर के नीचे रखा है, बट पैर के नीचे है ही नहीं. राइट ऐसी चीजें मत करना बच्चे, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है. एंड डू नॉट बाय मिस्टेक, डू नॉट कट द फ्लैप्स or sides. Don't do that. Cutting flaps and sides are going to be painful. Although not for my students, because we are going to learn disaster management later on. Right, so and cut on proper edge, because if you're not cutting on the edge, don't worry of the time right now, it's okay. Don't worry for the time right now. Getting things correct, that is going to be important. And one more thing, kids pay attention here, pay attention here. When you're working with tight papers, एक ही बार में जरूरी नहीं कि काट के उसको अलग कर ही देना है, ठीक है. मतलब हाथ तुम्हारा ऐसे कांप रहा है, प्रेशर देके इतना ज्यादा प्रेशर दे दियो ना कि पीछे से वो पता चला टेबल भी टूट गया, इतना ज्यादा प्रेशर नहीं देना है. एक बार में नहीं कट रहे, 2 बार चले जाओ. बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू अप्लाई टू मच प्रेशर, नो एक्सीडेंटली तुम्हारा ये स्केल शिफ्ट हो जाता है इधर उधर. फिर उसके बाद स्केल को फिर दोबारा सेट करने में टाइम जा रहा है, बहुत टाइम बर्बाद होता है. इट्स बेटर कि नाइसली कीप इट लाइक दैट. Why this happens? Because I was trying right now. एक ही बार में काटने की मैं कोशिश कर रहा था, तो मुझे फील हुआ वो चीज. ओके, एक बार काटा ठीक है, नहीं जा रहा, दोबारा चले जाओ, वो ज्यादा फास्ट है. ठीक है, एक बार गए, दोबारा चले गए, नहीं गया, दोबारा चले गए. वो ज्यादा सही है. ठीक है, राइट. वंस यू आर डन विद द कटिंग, now people who try to become very smart, cutting things with scissors, please don't be. Scissor, it's not going to give you fine cut. Okay, we are going to use scissors. How? The flaps, we don't need a fine cuts on the flaps, but we need a fine cuts for these. यहाँ पे fine cuts होने चाहिए. For that part you use scale and paper cutter, and for flaps you go with scissors, because scissor is fast any day. There are people who work with scale also very fast, but scissor goes pretty good. Okay, so you cut the flaps. Now accidentally, if you forgot to put any crease on either of the flaps, don't be too much bahubali kind of thing. चलो कोई बात नहीं, कौन क्रीज डालेगा, उसको फोल्ड कर देंगे हाथ से ही, बड़ा ही भद्दा दिखता है वो, स्पेशली दैट कॉर्नर. सो ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगना है, 2-3 सेकंड, मे बी 5 seconds. Quickly put the crease before you try to do jabardasti kind of thing. Anyway, so you got this. Don't worry for the time right now. Anyone who is facing, oh, this so much time, is like एक cube बनाने में लग गया आधा घंटा. Although to make one cube, it shouldn't be more than 5 minutes maximum. So, but anyway, we're just exploring the techniques. You got this? This one is ready? All right, if this one is ready, then let's go folding the creases. Okay, so you already have the crease. It will be easy for you to fold this. And there is one crease missing in my flap, so I will not go doing jabardasti. I'll put the scale and do the creasing quickly. And मेरे जो creases है ना थोड़े से loose भी हैं, so I'll go 2-3 times over this and ये लो, अब तो ठीक हो जाएगा. Fine. I must here also. Okay, once crease is ready, quickly fold all the creases nicely. Do not do jabardasti. अंशुल तू तो जल्दी से कर लेगी, बहुत सारे ऐसे केक के डब्बे बनाती होगी रोज दिन भर में.
दिन भर नहीं, कौन करता है, कभी कभार.
कभी कभार पार्टी दो अपने क्लासमेट्स को, बहुत पैसे कमाती है, कंपनी है इसको अपने केक बनाने की. Making these kind of things. Whoa. Right. Beautiful. You done? अब बारी आती है फेविकॉल लगाने की. ठीक है, बाई चांस अगर किसी का कॉर्नर मैच नहीं होता है तो प्रॉब्लम है, मेजरमेंट में प्रॉब्लम है. मेरे एक साइड का कॉर्नर थोड़ा सा अजीब से चला गया है, ये वाला कॉर्नर नॉट मैचिंग प्रॉपर्ली. और जैसे कि हाँ सर काम नहीं चलता. This one 1 mm, but it is there. Focus camera. Can you see that? I think half a mm or something gap is there. The one side flap ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा फोल्ड हो गया ऊपर में. Look at this. So this, of course, you might be feeling it doesn't matter so much, but it does. It's all about your measurement, the proper measurement skill. But what if you have made the mistake? So generally, मैं तो अपना मतलब ना, my nails, they are perfect tool for that. थोड़ा सा मैं दबा के ना हल्का से इनको मोल्ड कर लेता हूँ साइड से, ताकि वो नीचे चला जाए. तो उसके बाद संभाल लेंगे. Right, so you get the perfect corners. All of you are done till this point. Your creases are folded. How many of you are ready with pasting also? कौन पेस्ट करके रेडी हो चुका है? Sneha is like, Sneha, I'm not there by the way. Take a nice photograph of your model and send it to me, okay? Send in a group. Right?
On group?
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Application of Fevicol. We are talking and spending so much time, but this is how you're going to apply the Fevicol. If the nose is there, it's fine. Okay, you do it like that. How many of you have tendency to apply Fevicol like this? Right, don't do it. Okay, this is a really bad technique to apply Fevicol. वहां पे टेबल रहेगा, ठीक है, टेबल की साइड में थोड़ा सा फेविकोल निकाल देना नीचे, और नहीं तो यहीं पे थोड़ा सा हल्का सा गिराओ, ज्यादा फेविकोल लगाओगे प्रॉब्लम होगा, ठीक है. सो पुट अ फेविकोल क्विकली ऑन द फ्लैप्स. फर्स्ट वी आर पेस्टिंग द साइड, गो फॉर द साइड्स. थोड़ा सा लगा लिया ना, बस रहने दो, ठीक है. नाउ लुक एट दैट. For one side small flap, there is too much Fevicol. After that, pay attention, fingers. Okay, finger लिया, nicely apply किया इसको साइड पे, फिंगर पे भी लगा हुआ है Fevicol. Going on the other side, pulling it here. राइट, एंड उसके बाद ये वाला फिंगर टेबल के नीचे क्विकली, और नहीं तो कपड़े में पजामा वैसा पहन के जाना जो सॉरी आई एम नॉट ओके, यू बी एंड गो एनीवे, बट कैरी वन हैंडकरचीफ. सो क्विकली एंड साफ सुथरा, एकदम साफ सुथरा, क्विकली उसको पोछो एंड गो फॉर द पेस्टिंग द साइड. व्हाई दिस फिंगर इज इंपॉर्टेंट? Because when you are not, and when you're doing this thing, testing, be very careful to match the corner, right? While matching the corner, be very, very careful. कहीं से भी छोटा बड़ा हुआ प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा फिर. Okay, so you do it like that. Similarly, go for the other side. इतना बहुत ज्यादा है, एक बार में वाइप किया ऐसे इधर साइड में. Look at that problem, and this is the greatest problem. I know यहाँ पे ना फेविकोल थोड़ा सा इस साइड में आ रहा है. I don't know you're able to see or not. Okay, yeah. Can you see this?
So we can use brush also.
No, don't. Okay, brush वाली चीजें ना, fingers are the efficient and the best thing. Use the fingers to wipe it carefully from backwards, इधर से इधर की तरफ, not इधर से इधर की तरफ, from the side towards the flap, and उसके बाद टेबल के नीचे, टेबल के नीचे सारा कांड, टेबल इज योर, और नहीं तो अपनी पैंट में साइड में इसको पोस्ट लो क्विकली एंड गो फॉर पेस्टिंग. डू नॉट यूज दैट finger what you have applied for, you used for Fevicol. Use other fingers for pasting. Right? Once you practice this, it becomes very fast and very efficient. So don't worry about it right now. For the first time you're investing so much, don't worry about it at all. Efficiency is more important. Okay, स्पीड तो बढ़ जाएगा बाद में. Look at that, how I'm pasting. मेरा एक थंब अंदर है, अंदर की तरफ से फ्लैप को पकड़े हुए, एक फिंगर अप, द फिंगर which I used for application, I'm not using that one, वो इधर है, एंड ऊपर से पिंचिंग साइड. This is very easy, very fast. Right, now the inner folds, first try to paste them properly, fold them properly. नाउ ज्यादा फोल्ड नहीं कर देना कि ताकि वो अंदर की तरफ रह जाए, वो दैट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग फॉर योर मॉडल. ओके, ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ रहे, so that you will paste that thing and press it, so it will be able to hold, stick to your side properly. Because in here and on the other side. Right here and right here. Extra Fevicols, again the same way, you take it out, table ke niche, and going for final pasting of the side, matching the corner properly, right? So if your measurement has gone nice, the corner will match easily. Be very careful, you'll mess up your model. Okay, this is the point where people create a mess, and this is the point where I miss Fevicol SH. Fevicol MR यहाँ से चिपका, अब तो चिपक जा, पता चलो जैसे छोड़ते हो ना तो उधर से धीरे 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 करके निकल जाते हैं, because this is strong paper, right? And your one perfect model is ready, right? So that was the whole process. Now, of course, this should not take more time. For that, you need to be very much efficient. Measurement, drawing, cutting, pasting, and not making mistakes. एक बार में ही just grab it. For the homework, there is a twist. That's the one thing you're going to do for sure. For the homework, you have to cut the corner properly, slicing the corner. So basically, there are pyramids on each corner. So basically, we are doing, okay, just let's not do that right now. Form mutilation. Let's create some beautiful form with this. So let's say create a Rubik cube of 4 side one. It should be very neat and clean. 4 side one Rubik cube. You will not draw. इसको विंडो कट करके नाइसली, और वहां पे कलर डिफरेंट पेपर का होना चाहिए, राइट? It should be nicely cut. Window, Rubik cube of 4 side. So you might be, some people are like that. यहाँ पकड़ के मेजर करके और तुमने ड्रॉ कर दिया, वो नहीं चलेगा. Okay, so these has to be with a different color paper. Nicely cut and paste from behind. So before folding only, you have to create all your sides. You have to cut the windows and paste another paper to create the sides, and then you will go for final folding and pasting, right? So you have to do that one, right in your homework.
सर तो मतलब पीछे से उस पे डिफरेंट कलर पेपर चिपकाना है, लाइक एज अ कर्टन जैसे वो विंडो.
So जैसे तुमने पहले हाँ जैसे तुमने ये कर लिया, फिर यहाँ पे तुम अपना कट दो और इसके पीछे दूसरे कलर का पेपर चिपकाओगे.
ठीक है,
राइट? Before final folding and pasting. Fine, this one is ready. क्रीजिंग कर लेना, विंडो कटने से पहले क्रीजिंग कर लेना, क्रीज करके और फोल्ड भी कर लेना. विंडो को ड्रॉ करो, ठीक है, फोल्ड कर लेना, उसके बाद लास्ट विंडो कटिंग जाना. बिकॉज व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन यू कट द विंडो, राइट? सपोज यहाँ पे विंडो काटा, आई एम गोइंग फॉर फोल्डिंग, सो यहाँ पे क्या पतला सा पेपर रह जाएगा ना, थोड़ा सा ऐसे लाइन बॉर्डर टाइप से, तो बॉर्डर ना ठीक से फोल्ड नहीं हो पाता है. So before doing this cutting window, first do the creasing, and creasing को fold भी कर लेना. Best तो ये होगा fold the creasing also. एक बार crease बन जाए अच्छे से वो folded, and then you go for cutting the windows and pasting inside, so that after pasting your already crease is ready. There won't be any kind of mistake. Right? So you do that. That's one homework. Second homework is that you have to cut this one, and you have to cut a big window out of this. We are not doing mutilation, we are doing form transformation kind of practice. Cut the complete window, and इसके अंदर से एक पिरामिड बाहर की तरफ आता हुआ दिखेगा ऐसे. Right? So on each side you have pyramids. On each side of the cube we have pyramids. Okay? So this is the base of pyramid. For that also you have to do cutting, pasting, cutting, creasing, drawing, cutting the window. Before cutting the window, creasing, folding, then cut the window, then paste the pyramids first inside, from the inside on each side, and then you go for final folding and pasting of the cube. You have to be very careful for this exercise. Okay, so suppose you're doing 2 by 2, the base of your pyramid (1 by 1 inches). Minimum 1 by 1 inches, maximum 1.25 inches. 1.5 will be like too much. 1.25 inches. So between 1 inches to 1.25 inches base can be for your pyramid. Anyone has problem understanding how to create pyramid? Oh, we don't have time. Bye bye. My God, time is gone. That's your 2 homework. Bye bye. And do some more interactive, interesting thing with cutting, pasting, transforming the one cube only. That's